Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how we can turn on white noise reduction. So at the first we have to open notification bar, go on the right side and enter the settings. And here we have to scroll down and select the white noise reduction. And as you can see here, we can select one of the options. We can boost the voice or just fast action items, and I'll just turn it off. So you have to pick your option. I think that I'm going for the voice boost, and you have to just go back, and it's changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.